Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper and the topic is related to digital circuits. If x and y are inputs and the difference D is x minus y and the borrow B are the outputs, which one of the following diagrams implement a half subtractor? So we should know half subtractor is nothing but which will subtract two inputs, that is one input from the other. Okay, two single bit subtraction will be takes place. So let us assume half subtractor is going to be a circuit. For that one you are going to give two inputs, one is x, the other is y, and the difference is nothing but D and it is B. What D is implementing is nothing but subtracting y from x. So that if you write x, y and D and B, that is difference and borrow. So the different possibilities for this one are going to be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So 0 minus 0 is 0, there is no borrow. 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1, there is no borrow required. 1 minus 1 is 0, no borrow is required. Only we require borrow over this place. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 is 0 is smaller. You are subtracting larger one from the smaller, so it requires a borrow. So definitely we can write it as borrow is equal to 1. And whenever you are taking a borrow, at that time you are coming towards, you are taking from the higher side. Okay, so that is higher position side. Whenever it is coming back, we are dealing with binary in a system. Binary system, whenever it is taking a borrow, it will becomes in the form of 2. 2 minus 1, what you are getting is nothing but 1. So this is going to be the case. You can go for this one. D is nothing but min terms of 1 comma 2. We can say it as this is min term 0, min term 1, min term 2 and min term 3. So 1 and 2 min terms are going to be gets added, so that what you are getting is nothing but x y bar plus x bar y. Okay, this is what the expression for D, and borrow implies nothing but only min term 1, which is nothing but x bar y. So borrow is x bar y and difference is x y bar plus x bar y. So these expressions, whichever circuit is implementing at that time, that will be the right answer for this one. So you must get D is equal to x y bar plus x bar y and borrow is nothing but x bar y. For that one we should know how to write the expression for a 2 to 1 multiplexer. 2 to 1 multiplexer expression can be written. First, look at the control line. If it is only single control line, it can take only two possibilities. One is nothing but this is I0 is nothing but it can be S bar and I1 is nothing but S. So here it is, input for this one is Y and input for this one is nothing but Y bar. So we can write the difference as multiply this input with S bar and input with S, like this. Inputs and this corresponding min term should be multiplied, and whatever you will get, that will be a product, and later they will be summed up. Simply output of multiplexer is sum of products expression. Sum of products is nothing but products have to be generated, afterwards all those products should be summed up. How the products will be generated for a multiplexer is nothing but, first of all you have to look at the control signals and write the min term equivalent of control signals for each line, multiply min term equivalent with inputs, that will be the products, later sum them all those products. So here D can be written as D is equal to, okay, D is equal to, you will get this one, D is equal to S bar Y. D is equal to, you will get it as S bar Y plus S Y bar. But S is nothing but select line. S is given as X, so S can be replaced with X, so that it will be X bar Y plus X Y bar. So the difference is this one. Next, for borrow, this is 0 and it is Y. So this is S. S implies nothing but again it is S bar, this is S. So B is equal to S bar Y, but S is equal to X, so that S is replaced with X, X bar Y. So this is borrow expression and it is sum expression, difference expression. So difference is x bar y plus xy bar, borrow is x bar y. So this is the right answer. If you want to check what can be the expressions for other circuits at that time, this is nothing but simply you are giving s is nothing but y, you can write it as y bar y. This is y bar y you will get. So d is equal to xy bar plus x bar y. You will get the same expression, but bar o is nothing but 0 into something, you don't get this expression. What you will get is xy bar. So this will implement d is equal to y minus x, it will implement. Okay. If the question is asked about the d is equal to y minus x, at that time b is the right answer. Since the question is d is x minus y, a is the right answer. For C, if you want to write, this is borrow. Borrow you will get it as this is x and it is this is x bar and it is x. So that you will get borrow as x bar y plus xy bar. Okay, and here it is for this one, d is equal to x bar y you will get. This is wrong answer because the values are interchanged. Expressions for difference and borrow are interchanged, and here also if you write at that time, here again you will get the same thing. Okay, xy bar plus x bar y you will get, and for d you will get it as d is equal to x y bar you will get. Okay, so all these options are going to be wrong except A. So A is going to be the right answer. Only you must know is nothing but how to write the expression for a multiplexer. Okay, thank you.